Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Vercel for secure project access step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Vercel website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and press login. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create a new one. Choose to sign up using your email, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Follow the prompts based on the method you selected to complete the registration. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the project you want to manage or create a new one. Click on the project to access its settings. Now, find the Settings tab on the left sidebar and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Authentication section. Here, you will find options for configuring authentication methods. Select the authentication method you prefer, such as OAuth or JWT. If using OAuth, follow the instructions to connect your preferred identity provider. You'll need to authorize Vercel to access your account information with the chosen provider. Once authorized, configure the necessary permissions for your project access. If you're using JWT, generate a token from the designated area in your settings. Make sure to securely store this token, as it will be needed for API requests. Test the authentication by accessing your project through an API call or deployment. Ensure that the access is secure by checking the response and confirming it aligns with your settings. If everything is working correctly, you have successfully authenticated with Vercel. You can now proceed with managing your project securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.